Should we sing Kokomo again?
It was fun once, Dave.
Simmer down, Walter. We're on island time.
I am so glad I switched back to Jamaica. It's just so much cooler than China. I mean, even Greece would have been cooler.
Yeah, China just has like pandas. And what's cool about pandas? They're all like, what do you mean? What?
Does China amuse you?
I was just joking around.
Oh, well, I like jokes. Explain to me what's so funny so I can laugh too.
I think Trent just meant...
I think Trent can talk for himself. He said a joke about China, and I want to know what he meant by it.
Well,
Should we get involved?
stay out of it. Just stay out of it.